Good day, everybody. My name is Paul Akilusi. So I want to have a review for Ecoflow River 2. My name is Akilusi Paul Akilolua, installer Paul on YouTube. So let me start from the capacity is 300 watts. It can work on 500 hertz to 60 hertz. That's what we use in Nigeria. The lithium battery inside is 256 watt hour. So let me unbox it. I'm unboxing the device from. So number one advantage of this Ecoflow, based on what I discovered, is portable. You can carry it alongside to your office, charge it up, bring it back, and start using it at home. This is it. Yeah, Ecoflow River 2. Let me put it on here. If you have your Type-C charger, you can use Type-C to charge your phone. You can use your normal USB to charge your phone, and you can power it on here. Then this starts working, your 220 volts. You can also use your car charger. To charge the device. You can charge it with your car charger, and at the same time, you can also use your car charger to power it out. It works with XCT20 port here. So if I want to charge it out, I can connect it like this, put it in my car. As I'm driving, I'm charging my solar kit here. You can use your normal 220 UK plug standard to plug the device here as well. And based on my personal review, it's very, very reliable. Very, very reliable. Cute, nice design. And you can also use Bluetooth. That's what they have. They have a 5-year warranty on it. So it's this cord. All you need is just get this cord, XT60. And the major disadvantage I notice is when you want to charge it with solar panel, the maximum you can use is around 150 watt solar panel. And you must ensure you get XT60 to your MC4 or MC6 plug here. That's the only major disadvantage I can say I observe. But every other thing is very, very okay with the device. And from the comfort of where you are sitting, you can easily download Ecoflow app. This Ecoflow app. Download the app, connect it via Bluetooth, and you can start monitoring the level of your battery, the level of your consumption, the rate of your charge. So if you need a device like this, you are just a call away from us. Call us on 080-380-15711. And if you're outside Nigeria, add Nigeria country code that's +234 80-380-15711. And if you want us also to review any of your solar kits, you can send your device to us, that we do a very beautiful review for you. Tell the prospective clients the good